Alright, looks like the audio is working. Yep, I think the audio is working. Man, did I mess up, man. I just realized today that my, I guess my freaking mic was tripping, but I heard myself the whole time. So, that pissed me off. Can't go back now. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna see what I should do. Hopefully this audio works now, so I'll be really pissed if it doesn't. Okay, I gotta hurry up and make this video because I don't have much time. I got some stuff to do. We're on polymorphism now. Hopefully can finish this by, today's Monday, by Wednesday. If I can finish this by Wednesday, and yeah, that's alright. Polymorphism. While inheritance is the most unique trait of object-oriented languages, polymorphism is probably the most powerful. It is not particularly unique to class-based languages. Polymorphism is the ability of a variable. Polymorphism is the ability of a variable function or object to take in multiple forms. Poly, many, morph. For example, classes in some hierarchy have methods with the same name and signature. Here's an example: class creature. Dragon is the child of creature, and it moves. The same thing, but it just prints that. And that should print that. So for creature in creature. For creature in creature, dragon, kraken. Oh, I see. So the creatures provided. I see. Okay, makes sense. Because all three classes have the dot move. Yeah, it does. Method: we can shove the objects into a single list and call the same method on each of them, even though the implementation method body is different. I see. The idea is sometimes referred to as duck typing. If it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like it, it's a duck. Or in our example, if it dot moves method, treat it like a creature. Okay, so let's build some hitbox logic for our game, starting with simple rectangle. Complete the init method, configure the class to the properties, matching the variables passed in the constructor in this order. Give me 1 second. Okay, so what the fuck are we doing? We're doing what? When we call self dot, we're making, what are we making? Configure the dot in it. Yeah, this has to be this. Okay, dot, what, x1 is equal to x1, I believe is like this. So then x2 is equal to x2, so x3. Whoa. I don't think it matters about the order, but I think I'm gonna just change this. I don't want to, but I have to. X2 is equal to x2, so the y2 is equal to y2. I think that's what we gotta do. Cool. I think it's gonna show the same. Did it do the y? Yeah, it did. Okay, next thing. To get edges, in the last chapter we learned if a unit's x-y point within a rectangle, the dragon's bed. But units aren't really points. They have their own areas. So we're gonna go check if the dragon's body, a rectangle, is within the far, also rectangle. The image below contains an example of the breath hitting a dragon. So later we'll write the overlap. Later we'll we'll write the overlap. My bad, guys. Later we'll write the overlap method, but we'll just write a method to find the edges of a rectangle. So complete the following methods. Get underscore left returns the leftmost smallest x. X value. Yeah, right, returns the rightmost largest. Boom, returns the bottommost smallest y value. Okay. So I'm guessing this one is gonna be if I'm guessing that's gonna be return the leftmost smallest. Return the leftmost smallest x value if self dot. Oh shit, he did a private. Okay, I should have done that. This is gonna be if one is less than when we get the smallest x value, right? So is less than this, but 2, we're gonna do this on return something like that. I don't like how I did that. And then we do else return the second one. I think every which one has the same kind of logic, so okay. Get the line. So if I go over here and I go right there, if I do if x2 is it doesn't even matter what if the x1 is greater than the x2. Wait, top is gonna be the largest as well. So, I did not mean insert. What did I do? Y1. No, otherwise. So, it's greater than. Cool. See how he did it. Spit everywhere. Fuck, I'm stupid. Damn it! This is way fucking easier. That's why you check the solution. I made a stupid ass if statement so I could just return the min and the max right there. It's all good. Alright, what is this shit? What are we making? Time to write the logic that determines if two rectangles overlap. So complete the overlaps method. It should check if the current rectangle self overlaps a given rectangle. Return true if self overlaps part of the rect, including just touching sides. All the following conditions must be true for the rectangles. Thus, rectangles called A and B to overlap. A's left side is on or to the left of B's right side. The left side. Oh, someone led to that, I guess. Okay. Okay. I want to do these on my own. One thing that I want to do is come back to this Git course and try to finish this, because I really want to finish this as well, and I never had time. So I'm gonna probably do this for the next 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes. See what I can do, because I really want to finish this, even though it's not even like I don't know. I'm not really enjoying the shit, but yeah. So what is a Git branch? Well, what is a branch? A Git branch allows you to keep track of different changes separately. Oh, branches? Yeah, I suck at this, so I should pay attention. Keep track of different changes separately. For example, let's say you have a big web project and you want to experiment with changing the color scheme. Instead of changing the entire project directly, as of right now, our master branch, we can create a new branch called color schemes and work on that branch. When you're done, if you like the changes, you can merge the. Oh, I like that. Give me a second, guys. What the heck? Sorry guys, my dad texted me something. If you want, you guys can skip to that. What is a branch? Okay, yes. That's very important, because say the master branch just has everything and you're working for a company and you make another branch. Say they want to work on a you can call it a color scheme, I guess, or you could just say like a light mode or dark mode to like a company. You can make another branch and name it dark or light mode or whatever mode you want, and then yeah, just work on that until you see some like what did they say, until you're done and you like the changes basically, and then you can just merge it. Merge branches into keep it. If you don't like the changes, you can simply delete color schemes branch and go back to the master branch. Pretty cool. Under the hood, a branch is just named a pointer. A branch is named a pointer to a specific commit. When you create a branch, you're creating a new pointer to a specific commit. The commit that the branch points to is called the tip of the branch. So master pointer commits branch tips. I see. Because a branch is just a pointer to commit, they're lightweight and cheap, resource wise to create. When you create 10 branches, you're not creating 10 copies of the project on your hard drive. That makes sense. It's just a pointer to commit. Makes sense. So check what branch you're currently running. So I guess we have to open up the terminal. Well, I guess we have to load into projects. What is the shit called? Is a CD web flicks? Then I did git branch the master. So remember, you should be on the master because when okay, I guess I have to show that I'm on the master. Oh, I click OBS, and then okay, cool. Next one. We've been using Git's default master branch. Interestingly, GitHub. We've been using Git's default master branch, a website where you can remotely store Git projects. Recently changes its default branch from master to main. As a general rule, I recommend using main as your default branch if you work primarily with GitHub, as we will. How to rename a branch. Assignment. Change your global Git configuration to use main. Change the name branch. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. We're gonna change this. I guess this one, what was it called? Just master, but capitalized, was it? No. And then we're gonna name this what, main? Yeah, should be. That's what I'm guessing. That's what they want, just to change the name from that to this. Fuck! What the fuck? I did. It's name main. Look at press his name main. To make this repo, use main. Rename master branch to main. Run git branch again to make sure you're on the main branch. What the frick? I think it's the first step that I messed up. Oh my time. Update your git config to main. Oh shit. Okay, I see. Okay, can I not run this again? Because I don't want to run this again. I guess we're just gonna do that. Oh. Hey, we got it in time. Okay. So visualizing branches. Okay, we'll answer this, that, and then we'll stop right here. Visualizing branches. Throughout the rest of this course, we'll use text to represent branches and commits. For example, throughout this rest of the course, we'll use text to represent branches and commits. For example, A, B, C, main means a branch called main with 3 commits. C is the most recent, the tip. Okay, A is not the tip. A is the previous. A is the before to represent the main. Okay, so A, B, C to the main, and then somebody took another branch from A, so it's D, E, and then the other branch. I see. So the most recent is E to the other branch, then D. Okay, so answer the question based on the diagram. Okay, which commits are part of Lane's branch? Oh, H and G. Wait, what? Lane's branch? Well, H and G for sure. So it has to be these two. And I'm guessing it's A and B, because A and B goes to that, A and B, and then go boom to the Lane's branch. Oh, I see how this works. So A is already done in the main. Then they're like, okay, let me do this other branch and work on this, and then B and C are done to the main. Ah, so if you say other branch, then the commits are A, D, E. So the Lane's branch is gonna be A, B, G, H. I get it. What commits are part of the main? The main is just A, B, C, D. I see. And then what commits are part of the primes underscore branch? Primes underscore branch is gonna be A, E, F. Boom. I get this. Branches are a bit confusing. So if I don't visualize it right, it wouldn't make sense. Alright guys, that's gonna be today's video. I gotta go. I gotta do stuff for my family, so hopefully longer video tomorrow. Alright, later.